This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Back up your phone to cloud and local storage so you can recover if something breaks. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and enable developer options in settings by tapping build number 7 times. Make sure to install ADB on your computer and enable USB debugging on the device. This gives you the control needed. These steps are essential because the only reliable way to stop forced updates uses ADB level changes, so don't skip them. Now you'll identify and disable the update services. Connect the phone to your PC, accept the USB debugging authorization, and open a terminal. First, list packages with commands like a db shell pm list packages grep update to find installer and update services. Once identified, run a db shell pm disable user 0 package. Name for each update-related package. This stops the system from triggering downloads and installs. Take it one package at a time and verify the service no longer. Finish by rebooting the device and checking settings for any active update prompts. If the phone still attempts to update, block the vendor update servers using a host's file entry on rooted devices or use a network firewall to block update domains. This provides a secondary shield. If you need to undo your changes, re-enable packages with a db shell pm enable package. Name and remove any hosts or firewall rules. One key troubleshooting tip. If the phone becomes unstable, restore your backup immediately to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.